Toyota's Multi-Terrain Select, or MTS, is an advanced integrated driving assistance system that automatically optimizes your vehicle's performance across different surface conditions. The system is controlled through a simple rotary dial or button interface located on your vehicle's center console, making it easy to select the right mode for any terrain. MTS works by intelligently coordinating 5 key vehicle systems to match your driving conditions. These systems work together seamlessly to provide optimal traction, control, and performance. As of 2024 and 2025, Multi-Terrain Select is now standard or available across Toyota's most popular SUV and truck models, including the RAV4, Highlander, 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, and Sequoia. Recent Toyota models feature significant improvements to the Multi-Terrain Select system, including enhanced infotainment displays with clearer terrain mode visualization and better integration with Toyota's advanced safety features. Multi-Terrain Select represents Toyota's commitment to making advanced off-road capability accessible to all drivers, automatically adjusting your vehicle's behavior to match the terrain ahead with just the turn of a dial. Toyota Multi-Terrain Select offers 5 distinct driving modes, each optimized for specific conditions and driving needs. These modes are selected using a rotary dial or button interface located in the center console, providing immediate access to optimized settings. Normal mode is the default setting designed for everyday driving conditions. It provides a balanced approach, optimizing both fuel economy and performance for typical paved road driving. Eco mode maximizes fuel efficiency by reducing throttle sensitivity and implementing earlier transmission upshifts. This mode can improve fuel economy by up to 12% compared to normal driving. Snow mode is specifically designed for slippery conditions. It reduces wheel spin through gentler throttle application and modified traction control, resulting in a 31% reduction in wheel slip events during winter driving. Mud and sand mode is designed for loose terrain where momentum is crucial. It allows controlled wheel spin and maintains higher RPMs to prevent the vehicle from getting stuck in soft surfaces like deep sand or mud. Rock and dirt mode provides the most precise control for challenging off-road conditions. It offers enhanced traction control and lower gear holding, making it ideal for rocky terrain and steep inclines up to 30 degrees. The Multi-Terrain Select system activates immediately upon selection with a response time of just 0.3 of a second. Off-road modes are speed limited for safety, and the system automatically reverts to normal mode at highway speeds.